Alright guys, we got the Toyota pickup with us today. This is an 84 SR5 with a 22 RE, and we will be doing the valve cover gaskets on it. Okay, here we are. Here's our valve cover right here. This is a 22 RE, so it's the same as on the pickups and the 4Runners. Okay, so it's a pretty simple and easy valve cover to replace. It's old, it was leaking. I just power washed the motor so you don't see it as much, but it was covered everywhere. Okay, so it's time to go ahead and replace it. We're using a Fel Pro, and here is the part number for the gasket. Comes with the grommets right here to replace, and yeah, this was a very inexpensive kit that you could buy on Amazon. We bought it for under 20 bucks, I believe, and I'll link it in the description below. All right, to do the valve cover gasket, you're just gonna remove anything that is attached. Take the 4 mounting bolts off, take the brackets for the spark plugs, PCV valve out, EGR bracket out, and they're all 12 millimeters. So super simple and easy. I'm gonna time lapse it, you can check it out. All right, now that we have the valve cover off, we're gonna go ahead and clean the mating service. And pay attention to these half moons. We're gonna put a little RTV on those. And same with the back. The back has another half moon. You see it down there. We're gonna take a little shop rag and clean up the mating surface. All right, now it's time to clean the valve cover. We're just gonna stick a little piece of paper towel in between and run it through all the grooves before putting the new gasket in. All right, now that we're cleaned and ready to put on a new valve cover gasket, we're gonna put some silicone right here on the half moon. We're gonna put it on the underside before we press it in, and then we'll put some along the bridge. Same thing on the rear. That's what we're gonna do back there as well. See, kit came with 2 of them. All right, so now we have the half moons in, both rear and front. Now, when we put the valve cover down, it will tighten up. I'm putting no RTV around the case. I'm just putting RTV where the half moons are. So I'm gonna put the valve cover back on. It's gonna go down at about 5 to 10 foot-pounds, or it's wrist tight with another quarter to half turn. So you'll see us do that. All right, and that's all there is to it. We went ahead and changed the valve cover gasket successfully. Put all the hoses back together, PCV, any bracket. Overall, not a very difficult job. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below, and please subscribe. Cheers, guys.